Dr. Shivani Guru here for Sambalpur, Odisha. Speak India, given me a chance to speak to government and to help the migrant worker. Government announced lockdown without proper planning and in community faces worst topics, especially the migrant worker. Don't you think that? Yes. Why Prime Minister has not given 7 days time to the worker to return back to their home? This is my question again to the government. Why the 7 days time has not been provided to the migrant worker? Because during that time there is least affected coronavirus symptom has been seen. Now these migrant worker, they are without food, shelter, water, no proper transportation facility. Still people are coming home with the hope that if they die, they will die in their home, not in their workplace, not in their other state. They have to walk down miles with empty stomach, and many of them died due to hunger. Women worker delivered on a road and left like that only, left unattended. Is this right way to treat the people in the country? Laborers in metro city were asked Aadhaar card for for getting some food. Is this right way to ask somebody the Aadhaar card for the shelter purpose? Government is now thinking to revive the economy, but has never taken proper care how to revive, how to sustain the life in this country, how to sustain this migrant worker. Why not providing any kind of help to this migrant worker? Now, those migrant labor returning to their state highly affected in COVID-19. After returning home, everybody can see that after returning home of this migrant worker, COVID cases are rising in very high rate. Don't you think that? Because why? Because you see, nobody has taken care of this worker when they are returning home. Only at that time the state which states they are returning, only at that time they are testing the COVID. Before that, nobody bothered about this migrant worker. That's why these workers are highly affected with COVID-19. And it shows how much the country is in risk. I am asking this to everybody. This is showing the country in the risk factor. Due to this migrant worker, nobody has taken proper care of this migrant worker. Government also says nobody can remove their employees from the work, but still retrenchment going on. And who are working and who are left with the work, they are highly exploited in their workplace. Still, nothing has been done from the government side. As I am working now in Chhattisgarh, so I can say the Chhattisgarh government is working very efficiently, very properly, helping the workers, helping the peoples, and having a good control over COVID-19. Odisha state. As I belong to Odisha state, I can only say one thing for the Odisha state, that youngsters have no work. So for that reason, they are moving to other state, other country. So please take care of that. I request the government to fulfill the demand of Sonia Gandhi ji, who always think for the people and the country. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.